GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about Kaito. I hope I pronounced this correct. It's a Web3 information platform based on, as the name says, AI. Of course, one of the most hyped topics right now, Web3 combined with AI, as they call it themselves, the ultimate AI-powered Web3 information platform. You need to turn terabytes of unstructured information into actionable insights. Okay, sounds nice. To be honest, we're gonna go through the website a bit, but I want to talk about the potential airdrop that could be worth a lot. And this is what this video will focus on. But on Kaito, very short, this is their X account, the distribution center of crypto for information, attention, and capital. And basically what they do is they aggregate lots and lots of information focused on crypto, and they aggregate it in a very nice way. So for example, you can search for any ticker, topic, or trend. You get instant insights to it. You get sentiment analytics. You get smart alerts, if they call it, for certain topics. You get mind share graphics, as you can see here. So lots and lots of data, which can be very interesting for a lot of market participants. Monitor and benchmark project mindshare. Here, there you see it. We also have track narrative rotations, what's hot right now. You have different other tools. And then where do we see the pricing there? As an individual, you can basically get it for 833 a month or 0.25 ETH. This is annual. If you get this monthly, it's actually 1.1k per month. So it's not cheap. This is not what we want to focus on right now. We actually want to focus on the Yaps. And if you have been active on crypto Twitter or crypto X, then you probably read something about the Yaps by Kaito and about people calling themselves Yappers. Basically, we've seen this in a lot of airdrop videos that are made over the years, that Yappers or Yaps is basically just another nice term for points or a point system that probably will give you then a certain amount of the actual token that they gonna release. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about how you can set everything up. Actually, I just set everything up myself. I watched a lot of tutorials, read a lot of threads, went through all of this to actually get started myself and have a good overview before I actually dive in. So in this video, I'm just gonna share what I just read and what I went through over the last couple of hours. And now I'm gonna make a video out of this. I set up my account. I will basically take you on the journey with me and we'll do an update video in the next couple of days. What worked, what didn't work, if I ended up with Yaps. So this is basically a social experiment. Let's try if we can get our accounts to receive those Yaps, because as we can see in the Yapper leaderboard, and I'm gonna come to how to set everything up really soon, because it's actually very hard to get those Yaps. If we click on my profile, then we actually see that I just created this account, as I told you. I still have 0 Yaps, but actually there's been a lot of people that are writing that they have been trying to get Yaps for weeks now and they ended up with 0 so far. So this is something that we want to do better. Let's go step by step. So setting up the account, let's start with that. CoinGecko has it pretty easy. On their side, they explain what is Kaito, how to earn Yaps points. We talked about that. What I want to show you, because I already set up my account. The link is down in the description. I will give you my ref link in case you want to join with that. Feel free to do so. This gives me some additional points later on. And what you basically need to do, go to yaps.kaito.ai or use my ref link and then basically sign in with X or Twitter. What you need to do is you need to authorize the app, all the posts you can view, and any account you can view, including protected accounts. Basically, they can't post anything for you. That looks fine so far. This is the welcome screen. This explains how to get Yap points. So there's 3 different dimensions of Yap points. Proof of work, number of crypto relevant posts. So basically, if you post about something and if it is relevant, then you get points for it. Also, proof of exchange, real engagement based on reputation weighted impact analysis, and proof of insight, weighted by relevance, insightfulness, originality, and more. They have an AI behind this that tracks all your content and then evaluates, is this something that is relevant? Then you get points. Do you comment meaningful stuff? You get points. And actually, if it is really insightful, if it is original content and not just copy paste from other accounts, you also get points. So you have 3 different dimensions of Yap points, which is important, which we will go into detail in just a few seconds. Now you're now a Kaito certified yapper. Start yapping, you need to post a tweet. You can basically click on start yapping. I can go to my account and actually show you this. I still got this up from the Trump video yesterday. Yap early, yap only, yap often. This is the prepared tweet. If you click on this, here you can see my ref link, then you actually post your own ref link as well. Here, if you click on copy image, then you can basically paste the image and post this together with your post, and then you're actually ready to go to continue to the Kaito Yaps dashboard. Let me know how many smart followers you have. I had 151 when I signed up and was in the top 11%. Let me know how much you have. This way we can maybe better find out how important those numbers really are. And once you're there, this is the posts as I showed you. Then it shows you Kaito Connect, unlocking the future of InfoFi, join waitlist now. And then they will give you an early bird badge, which will likely be used in the Kaito Connect program in the future. And then you get an actual number. And what you then need to do is you need to go to the dashboard from Kaito here and click here, change wallet, and then paste your ETH and your Solana wallet address. Save, and then you're all set up. What you then can do, as they call it here, start yapping. If you navigate to the Yapper leaderboard, which is what we're gonna do now here, you can actually see all the different, this is for crypto ticker in general, you can see the mindshare. You can also set this to different time frames. This is for the 7 days. AIXPT is number 1, followed by Vitalik, who has been posting about ETH more frequently, and the ETH Foundation, and so on and so on. And if you click on your profile, this is what I'm gonna do now, is that you can see it's actually pretty hard to earn Yaps. If we see other airdrop systems where you get basically hundreds, thousands, millions of points, here it's super hard to get those single points. If we go back here, if you remember what the 3 dimensions were, this is what we want to focus on. This is what I read in a lot of threads, and I looked at the different accounts, and what actually seems to work is to focus on those things here. We will find out if that actually works. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at those accounts here in the top spots in the different leaderboards, because we have the crypto Twitter leaderboard, but we also have different others. For example, if you're deep into, let's say you're deep into Say or into Eclipse, and you know a lot about this, post about this, and also check the leaderboard out and comment on the accounts that actually are in the top positions. What's important is that you actually post. If I click on this, I can see here something about his mindshare, I can go here, go to his account. If I wanted to focus on Eclipse content, for example, I would post some original stuff. I could also use Grok for this, but actually I would go in here and comment on the top 20 accounts, maybe not all of them, but go through here and comment something meaningful. And you can actually use ChatGPT or Grok or Claude or whatever you want to use. Give it the actual content from the tweet. Tell it to write you something or write a meaningful response, and then post this to those. I actually started doing this to comment on some of those different accounts on their tweets that got a lot of traction. I tried to comment something meaningful, and also, for example, this video here, I will definitely tag the Kaito account, write a thread about this, as well as posting the video. I probably will do the video post and then also in written form to see which performs better. That's basically it. Write posts that actually give insights, no GM posts. A lot of people said that writing GM posts gives them 0 points. Also, just writing something meaningless doesn't give you any yaps. It has to be something that gives others some meaningful insights. I will start to track what I wrote, and if I end up with yaps and if this strategy works in posting meaningful content, that actually mostly I will either post my videos that I post on YouTube or put them in written form in threads, or I use Grok or ChatGPT to actually write meaningful responses to all those accounts. And then we'll see how we end up with this. Let me know if you have any additional advice. So probably in the next couple of days, I will do an update, and I'm really interested to see how many yaps I earned. In case you sign up now after seeing this video, also let me know how it goes, and then we will compare and see how many yaps we actually ended up getting in the next couple of days. That being said, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and then definitely see you in the next video.